Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Biological Tips. So today we are going to start with all about marine creatures in this video. So let's get started. So this is the sailfish. Yes, if you have said it, it's correct. It's the world's fastest fish. The world's fastest fish is the sailfish with 110 kilometers per hour. And with its amazing speed in water, it not just have the amazing speed but also have a very huge size, that is, it can grow up to 10 feet in length and weigh around 65 kilograms. Now let us see the next one, which is the most dangerous sea creatures. Yes, this is box jellyfish. Box jellyfish is the dangerous marine creatures. It is also known as sea wasps. These look like transparent and wobbly jelly and are found in coastal areas. With more than 50 tentacles which reach a length of 10 meters, it can weigh up to 2 kilograms. Strangely, this creature does not hunt intentionally, but when humans bump into it accidentally, they face the harshest of these stings. Yes, and interestingly, these sea turtles, whatever the sea turtles are there, they don't get affected by these stings and instead eat them. Wow. So let us see the next question. Which is the biggest sea mammal? Yes, it's the blue whale. It is the biggest sea mammal or the largest known mammal on the earth. And the mature blue whale can measure anywhere to 75 to 100 feet from head to tail and can weigh as much as 150 tons. And the largest whale measured so far was 110 feet long and weighed 200 tons. Yes, they also have extremely powerful back muscles which help them swim and navigate. Okay, now let us see the last thing, all about sharks. Yes, what are sharks? So, they are not just marine creatures, but the sharks are fish with a cartilaginous skeleton and highly streamlined body. They mostly inhabit warm water regions in seas and oceans. It is believed that sharks have existed for roughly 400 million years, even before the dinosaurs came to live on the earth. There are 440 different species of sharks, with the smallest being dwarf lantern shark and the largest being whale shark. The smallest shark is 17 centimeters in length and the largest is 12 meters. Okay. These sharks are known to be at the top in the food cycle of marine animals and usually inhabit the deeper parts of the sea, as deep as 2000 meters underwater. Okay, although we humans fear sharks for they can attack us and kill us, they face more danger at our hands. Okay, so there is no creature in this world which will attack unnecessarily on human beings. Whenever human beings go and disturb them, let it be unintentionally. If we still disturb them or if we touch them, they get scared and for their own protection they attack on us. Without any intention, without any disturbance, nothing in this world will come and attack you. Okay, so don't get scared by a shark or a snake. Don't run away when you see a snake and everything. They won't affect you till when you go and disturb them. Okay, so I'll be coming back with the next video later. So till then, thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe this video.